Tina Portis here at the CIA, and today, with our spotlight, female lawyers, we have Abi Oyegun, and I'm so excited to introduce her to you. So Abi, tell us, how many years have you been practicing law?
I've been practicing law from 2013, so going on 2 years now.
Wow, and what areas of law are you currently focused on?
The majority of my clients are mostly small business entrepreneurs and owners, so most of my practice is centered on small business law, litigation, negotiation, business contract disputes. I also dabble in family law, some real estate, and probate law.
Oh, that's fabulous. Now, what candid advice do you have for women entering law school?
For women entering law school, make sure this is what you want to do. This is a field where you cannot skate by. So I highly recommend shadowing an attorney, kind of doing some pre-background research. Law school is a weeding ground. Most people don't make it past the first year. So go ahead and shadow people, look up some cases, see if you can even understand what the decisions are saying, and go from there. You have to love law to practice it.
Well, what keeps you motivated day by day to love law?
My motivation, I have clients who, without the help I give them, would not be in court. I have to sometimes motivate them. You can win this. And there's no amount of money that can compensate for the feeling you get when you have a client that is indigent, doesn't have any money, or can't afford the real big law firm prices, and they get to go to court with the same amount of expertise a big firm would offer, and then they win. And it's personal, it's justified for me, and that's the best feeling ever.
Wow, that's fantastic. Now, what tips do you have for women in the law profession just starting out?
Just starting out, I think it's incredibly important to have mentors. When I mean mentors, I mean at every single level. So find people who are starting out just like you. Find somebody who's been 2 or 3 years in the game. Find somebody who's 30 years in, because they all have something to offer at different levels and they see things in different ways. So you can never know enough attorneys, enough judges, enough people that will refer you and help you out. So just add as many mentors as you can to your world.
I think that's great advice in business and life.
Yes.
Everyone, I should say, have a mentor and a coach to get you from where you are.
Right.
So what are you doing to market your firm and grow your business?
But the majority of my business is word of mouth. I wish I could say I was doing something incredibly innovative, but I'm not. I got lucky, a really good client who's a connector in a way. She has just been putting me out there. But I do try, I've told myself in the past few months to make it a point to get out of my office and go to at least one networking event every week.
Yes.
I try very hard to go to, especially because my business is small businesses. You want to focus your networking on the potential client base. So I tend to go to a lot of entrepreneurial startup events. So pass my card out. So get out there, meet potential clients. If they don't call you, that's fine, but keep going out there.
Awesome. And so there you have it from Abi Oyegun with Law, and I'll have all of her details and information here so that you can get in contact with her.